Okay, so I'm switching out my paper filter, putting in my K&N air filter that I just scored today at the junkyard. And I don't know if I can do this one-handed or not. I'll try to. Okay, got it. Let's see. Pretty much that's it. Anyway, let me see if I can prop up that. Oh, that whole thing twists. Oh, I didn't know that.
What's up, bro?
How you doing, bud?
All right, how are you?
Good. Damn it. Come on. Let's start going together at the bottom. Okay, let me take it all the way again. Take this ring all the way off. That's perfect fit. Okay? No problem. Now, put this back. Oh yes, like that. The holes to the bottom. So put it in this piece first. Can y'all see that? Get it fit in there first, or it'll never fit in the groove. And then just gently, oh, you gotta put this thing on first. Get on here. I think it's on. It's getting there. This thing's not exactly straight. It's on pretty good though. Well, there. I wrestled with that thing, but see how it's not really snapping down too tight? But it does look like it's on, and it feels pretty good. So there you go. K&N air filter swap.